in a car. Do you know? Easy, twin front, twin back. Now is my turn. How do you get 4 giraffes in a car? Your imagination, twin front, twin back. No, it's impossible. The car is plenty of elephants.
And now the time has come for humor. English humor. We have some humorists with Noah and Lear. Which is the best planet for a cold?
Best planet for a cold? I don't know.
Is the moon planet? A big applause for them.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, finally we are very happy to present our sensational singers and dancers. Let